Hi friends, welcome back to Jolie's Kitchen. Today we are going to make tasty mango curry. Choose mangoes which has higher sour taste for best result. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 raw mangoes cut into small pieces. Then add 3 sliced shallots, 2 green chili slits. Then add half cup of water required to cook the mangoes. Also add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. In the meanwhile, we can make the grinded mixture. In a grinder jar, take 3/4 cup of grated coconut, add 2 shallot, 2 garlics, 7 to 8 curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, half cup of water. Grind it nicely into a paste form. We can open the lid now. Mango has cooked well. Add the grinded coconut paste to it. Wash the grinder jar with half cup of warm water and add to it. Also add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, switch off the flame. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Using coconut oil gives best taste. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. After 10 seconds, add 2 red chilies cut into half, 7 to 8 sliced shallots, 5 to 6 curry leaves. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes. Saute the shallots until it changes color to light golden color.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
When the shallots changes its color, switch off the flame. Now add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now. Close the lid and leave it for 15 minutes before stirring. After 15 minutes, we can open the lid and stir it well. Our tasty raw mango curry is ready. Choose mangoes which has higher sour taste for best result. We just need only 20 minutes for the preparation.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.